Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at selecting similar shapes with a simple feature we've got in the program. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on selections and different ways we can go about selecting items and that within your design. I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to selecting similarity, this is great if you've got maybe a pattern with a lot of little shapes, maybe circles, squares, and similar, and you want to group them or move them or delete them, then you can use this feature to quickly select all the shapes similar. Now, there is, however, something to keep in mind. This is not relevant to this tool, but the actual shape. So if I had to select this text and select similar, I won't select the bottom text as well. We'll only select anything that's a duplicate or copy of this. Same with a circle. So if I make a squiggly, make a duplicate to the right, or I'm going to copy paste it. Then let's go to our create an oval at the bottom. And select the top one. Obviously you need to select what you want to select similar to. Then to use the feature, we go here to edit, and then we go to select similarity. Shortcut for that's Control-Shift-S. I personally would not get used to using that shortcut, as that is normally the default in most programs for saving as. So I wouldn't want to learn that habit off. Then if we select that, you will see it only selects two that's similar, not the bottom one. And like I mentioned, if let's make a copy of this, scale it, little one, and then make a few copies of this. Sometimes I've run into a problem before where it doesn't select all the shapes similar. I'm not sure what that is. It seems to be when the shapes are bigger, it has difficulty. Maybe it has like a threshold or something. But now if we go to edit and we go select similarity, we'll see it quickly select all of us. So now we can quickly group that and move it as a whole, or simply remove it. So you can imagine that can be quite handy if these shapes are all over the place and you don't want to manually go select it. But yeah, that is it on selecting similarity. It's a rather simple feature, but very handy when you need it. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.